Is the Earth gasping its last breath? Some say yes, others claim no. Here's what we know. Climate change is a fact, not fiction. We're witnessing record-breaking temperatures, melting ice caps, and rising sea levels. Our planet is sending us an SOS. But it's not all doom and gloom. We have the power to change the course of our destiny. Renewable energy, sustainable practices, and a bit of green thumb can go a long way. Together, we can ensure the Earth keeps spinning for billions of years to come. And hey, if you're keen on more cosmic adventures, join the Universal Universe family. Share the space love, hit that like button, and remember, the stars are always brighter when we watch them together.